All of our products except our Iridium product transmit data by wireless from the GPS device to a base station. The base station will automatically detect the presence of any GPS that it is meant to be communicating with, and when the GPS and the base station are within range of each other, all of the data in the GPS device that have not already been sent to a base station will start to transmit. And as long as the two stay within range during the entire process, all of the data in the memory will go to the base station. And there's no restriction on how often you need to download the data. You can download the data once a month, once a year, every day, every hour, whenever you want to do it. It doesn't matter whatsoever. The base station is automated, and the GPS and the base station are intelligent enough to know which data have transmitted to the base station and which haven't. Also, you can use multiple base stations, and if data transferred from a GPS to a different base station, and now you're there another week later with this base station and data transmit to this base station, there will be no duplication in data. You'll get all of your data, and our software will merge the two files into one. The GPS device is set to look for the presence of a base station once every 10th minute throughout the day. Actually, that's not how it works. The GPS devices advertise themselves. So the base station is there looking for these advertisements. And by default, the GPS advertises itself once every 10th minute. Now, in the field work, that can be a problem because you don't want to have to wait 10 minutes for an opportunity to get a download, especially if you're within range and the animal is available. So before you deploy, you can modify that advertising interval to a much shorter period, like 15 seconds, so that in a certain window of the day, you can modify the advertising interval. So pick a time when you're likely to be there, and then you don't have to wait the 10 minutes for the GPS to advertise for the base station. Again, the base station is automated. You don't have anything to do. But if you are carrying the base station, you want the advertising interval short so that you don't have to waste a lot of time waiting for an opportunity for a download. So you can do that in the user software before you deploy. And you pick a small window and you choose which days to do that because it affects battery life. So after the base station has collected data, you won't actually know because there's no screen. You won't know what happened and you're in the field. So we have an app. You open the app and the app communicates with the base station. And on the app, you can see which GPS devices have downloaded to the base station, when the last time they connected to the base station, when's the last time they downloaded to the base station, how much of the data in the memory were actually sent to the base station. You can see the time and date of the last GPS position. And then you know if, I missed one, I didn't get all my animals, I don't want to go back yet, I still have to find that one animal. Or you can see I collected all the data I need for today, and that would be it. And just by looking at the app, you know that you're done.